Good morning, students. Today we are going to start up with a new chapter, that is the first chapter of class 5th. The name of the chapter is The Seed. Let's start up with the reading of the chapter. You all must have seen many seeds. Seeds, the small thing which help in growing up of a beautiful plant, and then that plant turns into tree and it gives again the fruits which has got the seeds. So let's begin with the chapter. Long, long ago in China there lived a wise emperor whose once dark beard had turned the color of new fallen snow. He was old, and it was time for him to choose a successor, although he had many sons to choose from. But the emperor felt that power and wealth had made his heirs lazy. He wanted to appoint someone outside the family. Students, as we all know that in olden times, the countries were ruled by the kings. So in China, there was a king and he was very wise and he loved his countrymen very much. But he has grown old as his beard had turned white from the black. Now he started feeling that he was now not capable enough to rule his country and he should have his successor. So he tried to seek for a new king for his country. But at the same time, he felt that the power and the wealth which he was possessing has made his sons and grandson lazy, and they will not prove themselves to be good and great kings. So he decided to make somebody from outside as his king and a good emperor, or we can say a good ruler for the country China. We were learning that the king, he has grown old and he wanted somebody who can rule his kingdom very well. He did not trust his sons and grandson. So, what did he do? Have you seen the old movies in which they didn't had any media? You can say any social media, Facebook, WhatsApp or any other thing, or the news which could be rotated in the country. So, what did the king do? Let's start. Loud drums called a gathering of young men to the temple at the top of the mountains. When they arrived, the emperor, seated on a magnificent throne, announced, "It is time to choose the next emperor." The shocked townsmen whispered among themselves, "Nothing like this has ever happened before." The emperor continued, "Today, each of you will take a seat. In 1 year, you will bring your plant to the temple." So the king, to collect the mass, to collect all the people together, called out on loud drums and collected all the young men of his country on the top of the mountain where there was a temple. When all the people of his kingdom arrived, the king, he seated himself on a large throne and he started announcing. He said it was the time to choose the next emperor as he was growing old. All the people who have gathered here, they were very shocked. They did not want to change their king. So, in this thing, what did they do? They started whispering. Means they were surprised and they started talking to each other in a very low voice because they were feeling this thing that nothing of this sort has ever